rhythm of the bamboo sticks.
Yeah, and it does speed up. You know, Grace, you smell that?
Smell what?
It smells like Up Dog.
What's up, dog?
Got you.
Darren, you're not funny. Up next, we have a trio consisting of Richard and Greg on the guitar and Marsha singing and playing the piano.
Here they will be performing a Japanese song called Winter Love by Boa. Boa is an international singer that debuted in Korea. She's received many awards all over the world and has achieved this with her amazing singing and dancing abilities. Please give a hand for one of Boa's hits, Winter Love.
Just
You know, Grace, I used to play the piano.
Really? For how long?
Only 2 months.
Why only 2 months?
I figured I was never going to be as good as Marsha, and her singing is just amazing.
Do you want to sing like her, Darren?
Yes, I really do.
Okay, so as you have seen, each Asian culture has something unique to present. Representing the Vietnamese culture, several Asian club members have prepared a traditional Vietnamese fan dance.
This dance is represented by graceful movements and coordination of both the body and the fans. They will be dancing to Falling Rain by Phan Du Clown. Please welcome the fan dance.